today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a face mask. This is a long awaited video and I just decided to share my 5 minute tips to you how I made my face mask in 5 minutes. So this is it. It's reversible and it's fanciful, so you can wear it both ways. You can wear it this way and you can wear it the other way around, so it's comfortable. You can breathe with it freely, so it's reversible, okay, and it's very safe. Apart from this pandemic, this virus going out, you can use it to protect yourself from any other thing that might affect your nostril, okay. So I'm just going to show you how I made this face mask. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful videos. Thank you. Let's get started. So to begin, you're going to make a square shape, equal size. From here to here is 6 inches. So I measured it is 6 inches. From here to here is also 6 inches. So I cut this. I'm using this, my old newspaper, as my pattern. So I'm going to take 1.5 inch from this side and also 1.5 inch from this side. So if I take 1.5 inch from here and 1.5 inch from the side, it will be left with 3 inches at the middle. So now I'm going to also take in 1.5 inch from this part. This part will be the part where the nose is going to be on top of the nose, while I'm going to take 1 inches at the bottom, okay. But you can wear it any way you feel comfortable with it, okay. So now after I'm done doing that, I use my French curve to trace it here this way to get this curve. I also use my French curve to do it the other way, and just to attach it together, okay, this way and also this way. So this is how I got my pattern. So I'm going to be cutting it out. So after cutting it out, I'm going to place it on my fabric and trace it out. So I'm doing it on fold so that I can get both parts. Because I'm making it reversible, I'm using 2 cotton materials for this. So I'm also going to place it on fold this way and I'll cut it out. So when I'm done cutting both, I'm going to be sewing from here down, and also I'll do the same for this other side. So when you're done with both, you're done stitching from here and the other side too, you're going to open this together. You're just going to open this like this, and you open the other part too, in order to get a neat work. You need to iron it. But I'm just going to open this way. I'm going to notch it and I'll stitch this way. So let's just notch it first. Yeah, do the same for the other part of it. So when you're done notching, you open both front facing each other, and then you stitch up and down all the way from the top to the end of it. You do the same for the other part, so both sides. So I'm done with both. You see the way this place is, so this is where your nose will be. So I'm done with sewing both sides. I'm going to turn it inside out. Next, I'm going to measure my elastic 4 inch, and then I'll fold it. So one part would be for one ear and the other part would be for the other ear. So now I'm done. I'm just going to fold this inside, like 1 inch inside, because it will be too long if I just folded it a little. So I'm just going to fold 1 inch inside. Yeah, this is up to 1 inch, and then I'm going to place the elastic rubber from the edge here and sew down. I'll do the same. I'll take this other part of it, I'll bend it this way and also fix it this way. So I'll stitch it through. So we are done. If this video is useful to you, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll show you how it looks like on my face. So this is how it looks like. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful videos. Okay, bye.